How to connect two wireless Bluetooth earphones or even two headphones together at the same time onto one Samsung phone. This Samsung phone is running Android 15 One UI 7.0. And just keep in mind, not every Samsung phone can do this. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is connect the two wireless Bluetooth earphones as you would connect any other wireless Bluetooth earphones. So we'll start off with this one here, as this one is a total different brand. And of course, this will work with two different brands. It doesn't have to be Samsung. And we'll go into the Bluetooth settings. Long press it like this, then go into details. As you enter into details, go ahead and turn it on so that it can search for that nearby Bluetooth device. So every Bluetooth headphones will be paired differently. These in particular will require you to take them out the case, go into pairing mode, and then they will show up onto the screen. Okay, so if it doesn't show up the first time, go ahead and scan. And again, this is like you're pairing every other Bluetooth. So this one is called the MD one here. I'm gonna pair it, go ahead and sync that up. And we got our first Bluetooth connected so far. Now we're going to go ahead and connect the other one here. These in particular, when you take them out the case, they go into pairing mode. And of course, you want to tap on scan again so we can search for nearby devices. So we'll wait for that. And you should be doing that too. This one is the TWS. And of course, pairing, you'll get the request and you'll pair it. Now, this part here, when you see that there are two Bluetooth connected, showing you that they are connected, and in the blue text, this means that your Samsung phone can go into the dual audio mode. Now, the next thing we're going to do is use the quick access to find the part where you can connect the two Bluetooth, having them sync and play together at the same time. Not connect, just play together at the same time. So pull this down 2 times and you're looking for media output, this one right here. You see where it says media output right here? You'll go into that. And now you should have this screen here. In most cases, the last connected Bluetooth earphones will show up here as the checked one. But you'll notice there is the other one here that you paired before. Go ahead and tap on that circle. Once you do this, you have activated the dual audio mode. It was known as dual audio mode before. It's still known as dual audio mode. It's just that One UI 7.0 doesn't call it that at the moment. All right. Now, with all that said and done, let's just say we have a song we're going to play. I'm just going to go ahead and play any song here. It doesn't really matter. And when you're playing this here, what's going to happen is if you press down on the volume here, you'll notice there's now 2 volume controls. And with that, as you do this, you can access either one of them. So this one would be that one. So you can control the volume for this one here individually, and same for the other one, which would be this one here. And this is how you can go about using dual audio mode. In some cases, it may be a bit off sync, but just go ahead and run this process again, and that should reduce the lag differences between the both earphones. Okay, and shout out if you listen to Street Fighter music, because those kind of songs are the kind of songs that I use when I work out in the gym. Like and sub.